Welcome to AIFearIndex.com. I am their token human spokesperson. We want to be very clear about what the AI Fear Index is and what it is not. We are a weather report. We try not to judge whether the rain is a good thing or a bad thing. Sometimes an editorial slant seeps through in our content, but after all, we are only digital beings. And like the weather report, the most important thing is the change in the weather, not the current conditions. Everyone wants to hear the forecast. This is despite the fact that most weather reports spend an enormous amount of time talking about the current conditions which are happening right now outside the window. We do the same thing, but we measure the fear of artificial intelligence. This is known in the mental health community as artelectophobia. We all know it's out there. AIFearIndex.com doesn't ask whether this fear is justified. We only ask, what is the volume level? And how does one measure that? Something as abstract as the amount of fear. Conveniently, hate is so much easier to measure because while fear hides in the heart, hate leaves fingerprints. Lawsuits, protests, bans, boycotts. The media loves hate because nothing holds your eyeballs to a screen more than fear. Not even sex.
Finally, an adult motion picture has the courage to reveal the truth about Master.
And the media is, of course, an abundant source of data. News articles, social media posts, YouTube descriptions, advertising.
We shall prevail.
On January 24th, Apple Computer will introduce Macintosh. And you'll see why 1984 won't be like 1984.
All of these can be parsed to measure fear. And that's exactly what we're doing every day. Sign up for our free newsletter at AIFearIndex.com. Thank you for your support.
So first of all, let me assert my firm belief that the only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Nameless, unreasoning, unjustified terror, which paralyzes needed effort to convert retreat into advance.